Hello students, welcome you all guys, welcome you all to CAT YouTube channel guys. I am Ankit Sharma and we are going to solve this question from CAT 2022 slot 1 guys. So in this video we are going to discuss a very good concept of modulus functions guys. Now, what is the meaning of mod guys? We are going to get that. Okay, so please watch this video completely guys. You will get so many concepts in this single video guys. So just watch this video completely. Now guys, before starting the solution guys, you must know one thing. What is mod of x minus y? It is nothing but x minus y. Mod of x minus y is nothing but the distance between 2 points x and y on number line. That's it. Okay students, for example, if I am making a number line here guys, it is 0 guys, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4, it is 5, and here we are having minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. So what is mod of x minus y? We all know that the final value after mod will be a positive number, that we must know. Like mod minus 3 is 3 and 3 mod is 3. That we all know, na? That we must know. Okay. So what is the meaning of this beta? If I ask you, I am taking the value of x as 2 guys and the value of y is 5. So the distance between x and y will be equal to what guys? You can solve 2 minus 5. You can solve 2 minus 5. That is minus 3 guys. Then mod of minus 3 will be equal to 3. That's it. Similarly, I can take x as minus 1 as well and y as 2 as well. So do you agree with me guys? The distance that we can see on number line, that is 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. The distance between minus 1 and 2, we can observe it is a 3 unit distance. But if I solve like this guys from mod of x minus y, so you will say mod of x minus y, the value of x is minus 1, minus y minus 2. Yes or no guys? The value of y is plus 2 now, so that's why it will become what beta? Plus 3 only. Are you getting my point? If I take x as minus 1, if I take x as minus 2 and y as minus 4, so what will be the value, sir? What will be the value? The distance between the 2 points x and y will be denoted as mod of x minus y guys, will be denoted as mod of x minus y. So you will say what guys? Just put the value, sir. Minus 2 minus 4 minus 4. Okay, so ultimately on solving this it will be minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 mod is plus 2 mod. Yes or no? That will be equal to 2 only. That we can visualize here as well. The distance between minus 2 and minus 4 will be equal to 2 unit only. That we can visualize here as well. Yes or no guys? So the meaning of mod of x minus y must be clear to you before solving this question guys. What is the meaning of mod of x minus y beta? Mod of x minus y is equal to the distance between the 2 points x and y on number line. Okay students? Now, so I am erasing this now. Okay, let me erase this. I hope it is crystal clear to you guys. Now student, this question is asking what guys? The largest real value of a for which the equation x plus a plus x minus 1 equal to 2 has an infinite number of solutions for x is what guys? So these are the option minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay. So first of all guys, can I say guys x, okay, x plus a, let me write the complete question for you, x plus a plus x minus 1 mod equal to 2. So do you agree with me guys? On number line guys, x can be anywhere, x can be anywhere. But if I take 2 points guys, first of all guys, can I say this x plus a is nothing but x minus a? It means this function denoting what beta? The distance between 2 points x and minus a. Are you getting my point? The distance between 2 points x and minus a. I hope it is clear to you guys. And it is what beta? X and minus 1. So first of all guys, we all know here we are having 0, here we are having 1, here we are having 2 and so on. And here we are having minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Students, sum of these two distance must be equal to 2. First of all, x can be anywhere. X can be anywhere. X can be here as well. X can be, it is 1. First of all, guys, if I am assuming x as here, x equal to 4 I am assuming here, and a, because we have to take the negative value for a, so I am assuming a somewhere here. It is my a equal to 3. I am assuming a equal to 3, so minus a will become minus 3. A equal to 3, x equal to 4. Okay, you can say a equal to 3 as well. Okay, student, the point is minus 3 bulb. Okay, x. Now guys, if I talk about x equal to 4 and here 1, guys, what is the distance between these 2 points x and 1, guys? You will say 4 minus 1, that will be 3. So first of all, guys, x cannot be in that side because this distance, and it will be a negative value beta. So the sum will become more than 2 for sure. Bolo yes or no. For example, you can take instead of x equal to 4 beta, if I take x equal to 2 here, if I take x equal to 2 here, you will say, okay sir, no issue in that, no issue in that. The distance between 2 and 1, between x and 1 will be 1 only. Yes or no, guys? So 1 plus something must be equal to 2. 1 plus something must be equal to 2. But if you are taking x right hand side than a beta, right hand side to a, then definitely it will be negative value. A will, we are finding for minus a beta, it will be a negative value. So definitely the sum will be more than 2. Are you getting my point? So x cannot be in the right hand side of 1, guys. X cannot be greater than 1. Are you getting my point, guys? Similarly, x cannot be there in this direction beta. You cannot take x equal to minus 4 here, because if you take minus 4 and minus 3, okay, let's take that, the distance is 1 here, but the distance between mod of x minus 1, mod of x minus 1, distance between x and 1 will be 5 now. Yes or no? So this will go higher than 2, guys, but the sum must be equal to 2. So ultimately these are the distances beta. Sum of 2 distances must be equal to 2. Students, if I go through options beta, if I take x a equal to 2 has the infinite number of solution for x is what beta? If I take x equal to 2, guys, the largest real value of a for which the equation this has an infinite number of solution for x. Now students, if I take a equal to 2, my correct option will give the largest possible value for a, guys. Okay, so if I take a equal to 2 beta, if I take a equal to 2, if I take a equal to 2, okay, I am assuming a here, guys, and this 1 is here, guys. Do you agree with me, guys? If I assume x in this side or in this side, the value of these two functions will be more than 2. It is quite obvious. But if I assume x somewhere between minus 2 and 1, for example, if I am assuming x at here, so the distance between these 2 points will be 1 and these 2 points will be 2. Are yes or no? The distance between these 2 points will be 1. The distance between these 2 points will be 2, guys. So that's why, guys, x cannot be here beta. X cannot be here in this side. X cannot be in this side as well. And x cannot be at minus 1 between 1 and minus 2, guys. So let's take what beta? 2 is not possible because the sum has become what beta? The sum has become what? Greater than 2. If you will take here also, the sum will again will be 3 beta. If you take x equal to here as well, the sum will be 3 only. The distance between them will remain 3 only. If I take x as a as 1 beta, if I take a as 1, once again, if I take a as 1, a equal to 1. So students, do you agree with me, guys? On putting a equal to 1, if my 1 is here, guys, the distance between these two, so you can assume somewhere x somewhere between minus 1 and 1, you can assume x equal to 0, guys. Do you agree with me, guys? I can assume x at anywhere between minus and 1. I can assume here as well, I can assume here as well, I can assume here as well. I will have infinite points between minus and 1 beta, and the distance between these 2 points, distance between, okay, if I am assuming x at here beta, the distance between this, the sum of 2 distance between these 2 points and these 2 points will remain 2. Are you getting my point? If I take x at here beta, the distance between this and this point will remain 2 only. So that's why guys, the maximum possible value for a will be equal to 1 guys. The maximum possible value for a equal to what beta? 1 only guys. So that's why 1 is the correct answer for this question. I hope it is crystal clear to each and every one guys. Okay students, so we are going to meet in the next class with one more amazing question guys. Till then, bye bye, take care, thank you so much guys.